Hi to all my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, RGL Innovation. This video that I have to make today is all about the upgrade power supply for modem of my internet. Right now, the modem is on regular power from hydro, and I have my internet using right now, and the power is plugged into my regular power on the power bar, and my reading for my multimeter tester is 122 volts AC. And what I have to do right now is to shut down the regular power for my modem. This is the transformer of my modem, and I have to shut down the switch for my power bar, and this is just in case we have power failure. I have to shut down right now, and I confirm that there's no more voltage on my meter. In my modem have no power right now. And at the same time, my laptop, I have no more internet because we have no more power for my modem. I will unplug the transformer for my modem, and will plug in into my upgrade power supply. But right now we have to check the upgrade power supply for my inverter. And I have the reading of 114 volts AC. So I can use this upgrade power supply into my modem. Now we have to plug in the transformer for my modem. In my modem right now, there's a power, and it takes about a minute to restore the power of my modem. and the power for my modem is coming from power inverter, which is 175 watts, and 12 volts batteries. And we can check my modem right now, and it's starting to have the arrow up and all the LEDs in front of my modem. The indicators for my modem is almost done. Now I have the 5 gigs Wi-Fi. Now I have to check my connection for my laptop. Now my laptop having internet right now. Now I have the 100% Wi-Fi internet. With this upgrade power supply, I have also the 12 volts batteries from 12 volts batteries going to my inverter. So I have 112 volts AC and supplying for my modem, and I have nothing to worry about my internet because right now my laptop is working with my off-grid power supply. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and please subscribe and share about my video. Until then, see you next time.